Hello and welcome back to Bit Trading. My name is AJ, one of the mentors here, and today we are going to take a look at the price of Bitcoin. We're going to go through some of the previous trades we have taken and the trades that we are in as of right now, and possible trades that we are looking to take in the future. So if that sounds interesting, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you are new, and turn the bell notification on so you never ever miss another upload. And make sure that you watch this video up until the end, because I will give you some valuable information on how to profit off of these markets. But enough of that, let's jump into the charts and see what is going on. So over the past 2 weeks, we have been making some really profitable trades. The first trade that we have taken was from this high right here. Okay, this was a very profitable short for us, and I gave you this setup right here. I was telling you about 10 days ago that this is a setup I'm looking for. We can see that the price is looking bearish coming into the GP and the 786. This is what I was telling you in that video 10 days ago, that the price is looking bearish coming into the GP and the 786, and we can very clearly see that on the open interest and the CVD. As price was coming up into the GP and the 786, we can see that it is making some really nice higher highs. But if we come and have a look at the open interest, we can see that it is looking bearish, and we can see that the CVD is also looking bearish as well, telling us we can expect a pullback, and that's exactly what's happened. As you can see right here, there was a big pullback, and we took full advantage of this because we were in that short position, which of course I gave to my team on that Visionary Discord. And you can see here we made over 484% in a profit. This was a very profitable trade for us, and from there we actually went on to get a rise towards the upside, okay, and then another pullback, which actually gave us a long opportunity. Okay, we saw the exact same setup that we saw here, just in the opposite direction. We saw price coming down into the GP and the 786 level looking bullish, giving us that long signal. And you can see, okay, we saw higher prices like we expected to, and you can see that we made some really nice profits on that long as well, over 225% in a profit. And of course I gave that trade to my Visionary members on the Visionary Discord, as I always do, but I also told you guys about that trade setup here as well. I told you 4 days ago that if we were to come into the GP and the 786 looking bullish, what can we expect? Well, we can expect a rise towards the upside, and like I said, that's exactly what happened, and we made over 225% on that trade just right there. And we have actually entered into another long position based off the exact same setup. What did we see today? We saw price coming down into the GP and the 786 looking bullish. So I told my team on the Visionary Discord that I was entering into a long position. I said long setup for me, with an example of that long setup I was looking at, and I was telling my team that we were seeing bullish open interest and CVD coming into the GP and the 786, which is why I entered into the long position. As you can see, price is making some really nice higher highs, and you can see open interest and CVD are both looking bullish as we were coming into that GP and 786 level. So that was enough for me to enter into that long position, and as you can see, we have had a nice rise towards the upside after we tapped that GP level right there. And we have already taken a TP1 very shortly after we actually took the trade at over 60%. So this was a very profitable trade for us, and we've moved that stop loss to entry, making that a risk-free trade. So over the past 2 weeks, we have made some very profitable trades, and yeah, I am prioritizing the long positions as of right now. There was a possible short trade from here, but I am prioritizing those longs just because I would like to still see $38,107 being tapped, where from there, if we are looking bearish, we can look for a short position, okay? But if we're looking bullish coming into that level, okay, $38,107, then we can actually target higher prices and possibly look for $40,000. So that is still a target of mine, $38,107, and that is why I am now in 2 long positions, the long that we entered from down here and the long that we have literally just entered into not that long ago. And we've already taken a lot of profit off of the table. Firstly, off this one, we've taken a lot of profit off of the table. Up here, we still have a little bit left in that long position because I still would like to see $38,107 being tapped. And with this one here, we have already taken around 40% of the profit off of that trade, moved the stop loss to entry, so it is now a risk-free trade. This was more of a scalp trade rather than this one down here. This was a bigger swing trade for me, but this was more of a scalp trade, which is why I have taken profit relatively quickly and move that stop loss to entry, because I would we could still expect lower prices from here. So the best thing to do is to take TP1, move the stop loss to entry, making it a risk-free trade. So even if this trade does get stopped out and it hits that stop loss at entry, we know that this trade was a profitable trade because we have already taken a TP on that trade. So we've been so profitable over the past 2 weeks, and we are looking to continue this profitability by actually trading this level up here. If, like I said, we are looking bearish, we're looking to short that, but only if we are looking bearish on that CVD and open interest. Whilst we come into that level, we would like to see some sort of liquidity sweep up there, or failed auction, and then that bearish open interest in CVD to give us that short signal to enter into that short position. And of course, I will give that short setup to my Visionary members on a Visionary Discord, as I always do. So if you want access to that Visionary Discord where I give all of my trades away, then click the link in the description. It will take you over to bittrading.uk. Click join BitTrading here and you can gain access to that Visionary Discord. There will be a code somewhere on the screen which will give you 1 month free access. And yeah, if you want to trade on an exchange such as Mexi, make sure you click the link in the description. There will be a link for that as well. It will give you the lowest fees as well, so make sure you take advantage of that. You can get some sign up bonuses there as well. I am going to end this video right here. There isn't much to update you with. I have already told you my plan. I'm still targeting higher prices for a possible short if we're looking bearish there. If we're not looking bearish, okay, then we can look for higher prices. And of course, you already know if we see lower prices as well, I have a long, possibly from 34,469. Remember, if we're looking bullish coming into that level. So those are the two levels I'm interested in trading as of right now. Of course, we could see a scalp trade occur like we did see not that long ago right here, and we longed this. So yeah, of course, if you want access to those trades, then you will get you can gain access to them via that Visionary Discord. Link will be in the description. But that's all I've got for you today, so thank you very much for watching, guys, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. So see you later, guys. Goodbye.